In this video I'm going to explain how to trade ledges. Ledges are important structures which appear at the beginning of a trend or confirm a running trend. How do you identify ledges? Ledges are many trading ranges, and if you once see them appearing in a key level zone, you start marking them connecting two bodies, two shadows of at least 4 candles. In this case, you see a turnaround in the oil, prices reaching a key level. You see a very high delta pushing through and then forming a ledge. So how do you enter a trade when seeing a ledge? You wait for a breakout out of the ledge. You want to see a candle which is at least twice as long as the candles inside the ledge. You want to see high volume coming into the market, and you want to see the candle closing near the top. And you don't want to see a retracement which makes the price return into the ledge again. Ledges also appear within a trend, giving you a trend confirmation or another entry. In this case, you look for the same situation I explained to you a moment ago when I showed you the start of the trend.